Hey guys, welcome to another video, and in today's video we have got a new Nike running shoes. So as you can see, the name clearly written over Nike Flex 2019 RN, and this is UK 9 and US 10. As you can see all the details about the shoes over here, and the MRP over here, it says like it's 6995, but I got this very cheap for around 4000 rupees. So yeah, it's a great steal. Now without wasting time, let's unbox this. As you can might be thinking that the box is completely destroyed, but well, the shoes aren't. So yeah, and let's these are another few some details. As you can see, these were imported by Nike India Private Limited, and just here are some other details about Nike. And it also said that the box is made from over 90% recycled material, so it's nice. And it also says that the box is made in Vietnam. So without wasting any of the time, let's get going. Okay, so well, that was nice. Okay, so these are the complete infos and details about the shoes. I have already worn the shoes once or twice, I don't remember. And to give you details about the shoes, let me keep one shoes aside so that you can look at a better idea. Okay, so this is the sole. As you can see, it is dirty because I have said it earlier that I have already worn it, and review might be coming later. So as you can see, it's completely flexible, completely gets bent. And just take a look at the details. As you can see, it's completely folded, and the color is also inside, so they haven't missed out any of the part over here as well. There is a Nike whoosh over here, Nike logo, and here it says Nike Flex. So you just get reminded that the shoes you are currently wearing is the Nike Flex RN. Here it says that it's solar soft, and previously when the first time I wore it, it was quite tight, and I thought that I might have to return them because they were not feeling comfortable. But after a few hours, the sole got loose, and the shoes started taking the shape of my leg. And later I realized that how good the shoes is. Here it says that the natural motion offset 6.0/2019. So it reminds me that this is the latest version Nike Flex RN. And as you can see, the inside it also says that it's authentic and original. And one major thing about it is that this is completely made out of one piece. As you can see, there is nothing detached from the shoes. For example, in most of the shoes there is the tongue is detached, but as you can see, the tongue is attached here as well, which gives you the sense of feeling and the sense of confidence when you are running. As you can see, it's completely flexible here as well. This is the neck, sorry, not the neck but the back, which is completely attached as well. And this is the mesh where the back side of your foot's rest. It feels very nice. As you can see it, and the inside it says that the Nike Flex running natural motion designed in Behavior, Oregon. So yeah, it's quite a nice running shoe. As you can see, this is the mesh, which is quite nice over here as well. As you can see, the Nike logo, and here it says that the Nike Flex RN. So quite a lot of branding done over here as well. And this one interesting thing about this design is, as you can see, in most of the shoes you tie your laces over here, but the laces here are coming from the behind and over to the front. So I like this design aspect quite as well. As you can see, there is another aesthetic and physical appeal which further enhances the motion and supports your shoes for better running. As you can see, the back is attached to a black string which helps and increases your speed and the motion. So here is another Nike branding over here as well. These are completely made out of cotton, and this mesh is also looking good. You might be thinking that it is looking blue, but it's completely black. It is due to the fact that the lighting is quite good over here as well. So all in all, a very good shoes. Definitely go buy it. 4000 rupees for these shoes is completely a steal, and these are weighing very lightly, as you can see. And let's do a drop test over here and see that how high they bounce. Okay, so 1 2 Okay, so they didn't bounce as well as I thought. This might be the fact that some new technology has come in. You might be thinking that I'm praising these shoes a lot, yes, I know that I'm praising them a lot because the shoes are quite good enough. And yeah, definitely good shoes. I will also be posting photos about them on my Instagram page, so don't forget to follow me there as well. And that's it for this video, guys. Hope you like it. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below, and thanks for watching.